think it's probably one of the best things I've ever done in my life.
Within the first hour, I realized that I was in a place that was going to change my life.
Something that makes you realize how powerful we can be as women.
I have to say that probably I use the skills that I learned in the PIE program every day of my life.
I came out of that course with amazing skills and the ability to really alter my entire outlook on life.
I dared to dream bigger than I ever thought.